It is World Obesity Day and some worrying figures are out to accompany it. Jonathan has details. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, very worrying figures. 124 million obese children, Sarah Jane, around the world. That's according to the World Health Organization. It's a tenfold rise in the last 40 years. And the WHO is now urging governments around the world to limit the marketing of junk food to children. Sky's Rebecca Williams has the details.
Many believe this is a generation that's obsessed with both computer screens and sugar. Obesity levels in children and teenagers around the world are 10 times higher than they were 40 years ago. But here in Bristol, an initiative has now been introduced to try and create healthier schools.
It's good to have like the odd snack or the sweet treat, but it's best to eat healthier stuff than sweet stuff.
Well, you can eat burgers, but not too many.
I just worry about myself because I don't want to be that person.
What person's that?
It's just like a really plump one.
Between 1975 and 2016, the estimated number of obese boys in the world increased from 6 million to 74 million. For girls, figures rose from 5 million to 50 million. And in the UK, 1 in 10 young people are now classed as obese.
It's mainly in developing countries that obesity levels have gone up. Here in Europe and the United States, they seem to have levelled off. But experts are warning that's no reason or excuse for complacency.
At Hillcrest Primary, children are being taught about both exercise and having a balanced diet. But with so many pressures, especially on young girls with social media and glossy magazines, it's all about a balancing act.
I think children, no matter what age, are always thinking perhaps about how they look, their appearance. But I think as long as we focus on the positive aspect of healthy, thinking about our hearts and being active rather than the vanity side, if you like, I think that's a good thing.
There's a warning that the UK's obesity epidemic threatens to cripple the NHS. But Public Health England insists it's at the start of a long, long journey to tackle the challenge of a generation. Rebecca Williams, Sky News in Bristol.